Hello, children.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Snowfish.
Hello, Miss Ale. Why are you wearing such a beautiful hat?
Because this is my story time hat.
Really?
Yes, today we're going to listen to a story.
Oh, how fun.
Yes, look at it.
Wait, that's King Kurt. I know him.
Yes, you are in this story too.
Wow.
Okay, do you want to listen to the story?
Yes, please.
This story, it's about some words that begin with the sound K.
Wow.
But now we are going to learn new words with initial sound K, but with the letter K.
Oh.
Okay, can you repeat the sound? K, 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 K. Yes, letter K makes the sound K, like King Kurt.
Wow.
Okay. Once upon a time, there was a king named Kurt. King Kurt was happy flying his kite. But suddenly, the kite flew away. So he was sad. Snowfish tried to cheer him up. So he brought a kangaroo. But the king was sad. Then he brought a koala. But the king was still sad. Suddenly, Snowfish said,
I have an idea.
he had the key for the king's box of secrets. In the box, there was a letter from the king's true love, Kelly the queen. Then, Snowfish talked with Kelly about the king.
The king is sad. Would you help him?
Finally, Kelly went to see the king and gave him a kiss. So the king was happy again. And they lived happily ever after.
The end.
Yes!
Wow.
Look, you're here.
That's me.
Yes. Okay, Snowfish, can you remember some words from the story that begin with the sound K?
I remember king
Yes.
and kite and also kangaroo
Perfect.
and koala,
Yes.
key
Uh-huh.
and kiss.
Excellent job. Do you want to give me a kiss?
Yes.
Oh. So that was it for today. Bye-bye, children.